All right, as you can see, we have the front plate for the washer housing. We have our EMV reader, the stainless steel mounting plate, 2 security nuts, and 4 of the short M4 screws. All right, first thing you want to do, you want to mount the mount plate to the reader. Take the mounting plate, run the harness through. Now you want the bottom of the reader and the studs to be opposite, as you can see. All right, take your screws. Now you can do this however you like, whether it be a hand tool or a drill, but please no impact drivers. Start off hand tight. I just have the one. All right. We're getting there. Doesn't take long. All right, that's step 1, mounting the plate to the reader. Second step, take the cover plate, run the harness through. As you can see, studs line up with the holes. And the key is there. That's an important feat. You have to have the key. All right, take your nuts, thread them on. There we go. Take your 10mm socket, tighten it up. Look, make sure that's lined up. Doesn't take much. Just line it up nice. Make sure the opening is covered, and then tighten it up. And there you have it. All right, we have our EMV reader on the plate. We're going to pass the harness through here. There's just a bit of an opening here, as you can see. We're going to pull the harness through. All right. And then there's a hinge here. You want to take that hinge, dip it in, fits in, and then there you go. We have tied in power using our blue vampire clips to the hot and neutral. One hot, one neutral. They snap right on top. And then if you notice, power cord comes out the back here. You always want to make sure power is unplugged before you start working with power. Safety first. All right, so what we have here, we've already ran the harnessing through the machine. We have the reader on the front already secured, harness ran through. As you can see, Velcro on the back of the control board, Velcro here. We also have the power supply here. All right, now we've already plugged in the power supply, the harness for the reader. This is the antenna, and this is for J1 that runs here to the red plug. All right, so you want to mount, stick it on the Velcro, make sure it's secure. All right, now you want to run the harnessing in as best you can to make sure that it is secure and tight. You don't want this impeding anything on the internals of the washer. All right, now tie this up. You can group it all together. You can tie it individually. It's really up to you on how you want to service the machine. I always look at it as what's going to be easier for a service call. So I like to keep it all grouped together. I like to utilize the zip tie clips that are already in place. Tie in everything so nothing is loose. All right, nice and secure. All right, so after you have your bundle of cables here, you want to find the best way to secure it. All right, grab your zip tie, come around the bundle. Again, cable management is up to you. You just want to make sure that it's secure. You can close the lid. Everything is, nice and tight and secure and does not impede anything on the inside of the machine. All right. All right. You can also additionally tie these up, securing them just slightly. All right. Don't forget to cut the tails of your zip ties.
Overnight.
All right. Just take a once over to make sure everything looks good. All right. Everything is nice and secure, tight. All right. All right. Last piece of the puzzle is just to put the plastic cover back in place. This protects all the electronics and the power and everything when you put the lid on. As you can see, we have a finished product. The EMV reader is mounted. As you come over here, please. You can see that we have ran the harness through here, underneath this lip here, and around the edge. Coming through here, you can follow it along. The control board is mounted here. Alongside, you can see the power supply. Very easy and simple and clean. The most important thing you want to do with the harnessing is make sure that none of it impedes the drum or any other working components in the washing machine.